Download the Nucleus Smart app on Google Play to your Android smartphone. The Nucleus Smart app can be downloaded and installed by recipients or their parent or carer. Tap the Nucleus Smart icon to start the app. Set up using your Cochlear account or log in. The Pair Your Processors screen displays. Tap Start Setup. In the Location pop-up, tap OK. In the Allow Nucleus Smart pop-up, tap Allow. The Detect Your Processors screen displays. If you have two sound processors, you will need to pair them at the same time. To start the pairing process, turn off one sound processor. And then the other. Then turn both processors on again. When your processors display, tap once to start pairing. The Paired Processors screen displays when pairing is complete. Tap Verify Processors. Follow the screen prompts to verify your sound processors. The Preparing Your Processor screen displays for up to 30 seconds. If the Setup Complete screen displays, tap Start using the app. You can now use the features of the Nucleus Smart app, such as volume control, tracking your hearing, Find My Processor, and more. For more information, visit our website.